How to fix the WhatsApp Business Broadcast problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your broadcasts working properly again in WhatsApp Business. First, open WhatsApp Business on your Android device. Tap on the three dots at the top right. From there, tap on Business Broadcast. At this point, check if the contacts you are trying to broadcast to have your number saved in their phone. Recipients must have your number saved for broadcast messages to be delivered. Following this, if the broadcast is still not working, go to your Android settings and tap on Connections. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and stable. From here, go back to Android settings and tap on Apps. Search for WhatsApp Business and tap on it to open the app info page. At this stage, tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Go back and tap on Force Stop and confirm. Reopen WhatsApp Business and try sending the broadcast again. From there, open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp Business at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to complete. Keep in mind, WhatsApp Business has a limit on how many recipients can be added to a broadcast list, so if your list exceeds the limit, some messages may not be delivered. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the WhatsApp Business broadcast problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates in the next one.